and the GOAT of an outdoor kitchen, from griddle to grill, from farmhouse sink to fridge, and from doors to drawers. And supporting the weight of the veneer just above, we have an angle iron that is primed and painted. It's going to hold the countertop. Speaking of countertops, the clients have to make a decision today. Are they going templated or are they going segmental? We have two segmental options out. The Piedemonte with a thermal finish face and top with clean block technology, onyx black to match our veneer. And the York with a chiseled face and a thermal finish top. Again, onyx black. They look cool, and even in this temperature, feel cool.